properties, direct mail or cold calling?
You know what answer I'm going to give.
I already know.
I would say direct mail, but that's an awesome list. So fire damage properties is a really good list. And in some areas, it's very difficult to find. So just to let everybody know, the way that I found property damaged homes in Massachusetts is I actually called the firehouse in my town and asked him for a list. And he said, we don't have that list. Usually those, because anytime that the firefighters go out to a home, they have to report that incident. That incident gets reported and collected. So he said, call the city of Boston. Called the city of Boston, had to do the runaround with them to figure out who actually had that property and that data. The data. And finally got in touch with the right person. And now I literally have every single property that has had an issue or fire damage to it in the whole state of Massachusetts. Not only the property, the date, but the estimated amount of damages.
Wow.
So that is crazy valuable because now I can go down the list and say, all right, show me all the properties that were damaged in this town that have over 50 grand in damage, right? So now that tells me that there's pretty significant damage and they might want to sell, collect the insurance money, just sell the property, make the difference up, and it's an easy purchase.
And what is the ad copy you do on that one?
So for most of these, I do pretty standardized ad copy.
Okay.
I tried and tested going with a more specific route. And what I found is I actually could offend people more likely when I sent a mail piece that talked about their specific reason of an issue, right? And again, I don't want people to get offended until they talk to me, of course. but I want to do like just a very general statement. So when they do call me back, as soon as they call me back, depending on the phone number they call me, right, it's a tracking number. So when they call in through a specific number, I might say, oh, it's a probate caller. So I know how to gear my questioning when I talk to them. And I gear it in a way that's not like, hey, I know that somebody passed away. It sounds more like, like just we're going through the checkpoints and I'm asking them different questions. And I might, so I might get to the point of asking them if anybody else is on the property. And if they were like, yeah, but he just passed away. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. Right. I got that information, but it didn't directly come out and ask. And it's done in much more of a subtle way.
Justin, I'm telling you, it took me 2 years for probate, like before I figured that out. It's with cold calling. Matt, all of Matt, that's insane. But you guys heard that. You should definitely hop on that as soon as possible. And then thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.